Today in TruStevie, we're going to be doing a get ready with me to look like this. I'm just gonna kind of go over what I like to do in the morning on a Saturday. So feel free to join me. Don't forget that if you like these videos and you want to see more of them, please subscribe below and click that like button. Anyway, so I'm gonna get started. I started off with cleaning my face with this Clean & Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. So I really like that. And then I added some Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. So I use that kind of like around my blemishes and stuff like that because I had a few that kind of popped up over the course of the last few days. They looked kind of gnarly yesterday. And then after that, I used an all-in-one Eggmellow Cream, and I really love this stuff. It just makes my skin feel better. So I am going to get started. So there's a couple of new things that I wanted to kind of try out today. One of them being the TooFaced Unicorn Survival Kit. It has a highlighter and a couple of lipsticks in there. So I'm going to start with my MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot. Kind of just covers up everything. with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun with playing with the TooFaced Unicorn Survival Kit. In here I used the Unicorn Tears Mystical Highlighter. It was a little intense, so I did have to calm it down a little bit, but I actually really like it. And then how adorable is this TooFaced like Unicorn Tears like lipstick here? Absolutely love it. I think next time I might like moisturize my lips a little bit so that it doesn't like crack a little bit on the lipstick, but I absolutely love the color, and I love the kind of like shimmer effect and the melted latex liquefied high shine lipstick in Unicorn Tears is also really pretty. I put that on top. One of them's more like a purpley shade, and one's kind of like more of the blue shift shade, but I really like them, and I think it goes well with the kind of neutral brownie tones that I wanted to use with my eyes to kind of match in with my hair color. I also used I started off with the My Little Pony palette, but just kind of, it has one of my favorite shades to kind of start off, but then I just wasn't like in the mood for it, so then I went over to the You Had Me at Hello ColourPop palette, and you didn't even really have to start with the Unicorn palette. I just wanted to start with it because I wanted to use like the Unicorn Survival Kit with TooFaced, so I thought, oh look, that kind of like matches out with it. It's my first time using the Maybelline New York Fitme Concealer. I've just been trying out different concealers to see what I like best. We'll see how it wears out throughout the day. I don't like it when, you know, throughout the day then you're like, oh, I seem like I have like, it's just like going into the creases of my eyes and makes me look older. Don't want that at all. I thought about doing my eyebrows today, and then I was like, don't really want to. I did top off. I felt like being a little extra sparkly today, especially with like the unicorn highlight and everything. I did a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow and Tassel just kind of over the top to kind of do some more sparkliness on the eyes. I used, what else did I use? I used the SuperHero my little sample size like mascara. So this is my first time using this mascara, so we'll see how that works. And then I used a Maybelline New York Unstoppable eyeliner kind of this way, and then I used the, where's the other eyeliner? And then I used the DHC liquid eyeliner, Perfect Pro Makeup, to do the inside for more like that precise look. But as you can see, that little inner corner, I just kind of wanted to do like a little three-prong like teardrop look or whatever. But it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. In all actuality, because I can talk, makeup is just about like having fun and being like a little bit artistic, so nothing has to be absolutely perfect to look good. And then what else did I use? Did I use anything else? I used this crown brush here. I used a Medusa's makeup for like the detail work underneath my eyes. It doesn't say like which brush this is, but it just comes in their normal like brush kit that they have. I used another Medusa's makeup brush as well, kind of like a bigger thing. And then I also used a Luxie Detail Flat Blender for doing that main color blending. I think that's about it. I showed you almost everything else. I had the amazing eye maker remover that I used to kind of shape the color. Reason why is because it doesn't have to be perfect. You can just erase it away if you don't like it. I also used the Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush to kind of blend in that really, really purpley highlighter that just kind of was really intense on my cheeks there in Limitless and Fearless, and kind of just did a bunch of that. I got this in my BoxyCharm last time, and then this was a new palette that I got from ColourPop, and I absolutely am loving it so far. And then I mentioned the soft ochre paint pot that I use kind of like MAC primer on my eyes. I think that covered everything. Anyways, oh, and the spray that I used kind of over top everything is the Queen of Hungary Mist. So that's kind of what I use to kind of spritz on my face. I just think it smells good, and it just kind of feels like refreshing to use it. And the perfume that I used is Noir in Tease by Victoria's Secret. My sister got that for me for my birthday in September last year, so I've been liking the scent, and so that's what I've been using. And then lately I have, I just really wanted to kind of make a note of this guy. I just started using this week. It's the Tarte Pearly Girl teeth whitening, and I'm actually pretty liking it. I've used it for like a week now, and I can actually see a difference in my teeth color kind of becoming a little bit more brighter. I also am really excited about this one because it doesn't contain bleach, and it's all vegan and stuff. So it's no mess, easy application, helps protect enamel. That was the big thing that got me. I'm like, I could use a little extra enamel protection, and it's bleach free. That was a get ready with me, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, please thumbs up this video, subscribe below, click that little notification bell so that you can be notified when I put out more videos.